So on a hot summer day and you're tired and you just want something that's a quick pick-me-up that you don't want to leave your house, an iced coffee is the best thing. But if you have hot coffee only, freshly brewed, what do? Because you got to put it in your ice and you don't want it to dilute. So this is the key to the perfect summer iced coffee. So what you're going to want to do is get your Keurig or your regular coffee machine, put your coffee grounds in it if you have a regular machine, or if you have a Keurig, you just get your coffee. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be using this Dunkin' medium roast original blend. You're just going to want to pop it in here into the top. Put the old one into the trash. Pop this one into the top. Before you push it down, you're going to want to put your water in here. There's multiple different lines on the front of this machine. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see. There we go. Right here, there's different lines. You're going to want to use the one that says min. That's the minimum amount, and you want to put the water to the minimum amount, and that's it. So, we're going to put it in to the minimum amount. Make a little bit more. You can use any sort of water, or there we go. Perfect. To the minimum amount, shut the lid, push the top down, and then press the middle button on the top. If you're using a Keurig, but if you're not using a Keurig, then that's okay. You just go the exact same way as your coffee maker. You want to put ice in the bottom of the machine so it'll brew onto your ice. And when it's finally brewed, this is it. You got the perfect iced coffee. And the key to putting the minimum amount of water is when it goes into the ice, it'll dilute to make it the perfect amount of iced coffee. Not too strong, not too weak. Perfect iced coffee. And that's what you want. That's why you use the minimum amount and then you put it into your ice. Then whenever it is in your cup, you can just add extra ice if you want. So you just add your extra ice into your cup. Now, you can use any sort of cream that you want. Any sort of cream is fine. I'm just going to be using this half and half that we have. And you can just pour in like as much as you want. Any sort of amount is fine. So then you're going to have your iced coffee. For flavor. Flavor, you can use any sort of flavor that you want. They have caramel, they have vanilla. I'm going to be using the sugar-free vanilla today. That's just the one that I prefer. And if you go and get an iced coffee at a cafe or at a coffee place, they always seem to make it perfect. This is the key as well. You want to use 2 tablespoons. This is my little tablespoon here. You want to use 2 tablespoons of your syrup and put it into your coffee. So, this one's a brand new one, so we're going to pop her open. Let's see. Go ahead and get it open. Alright. Make sure the cap's open. Then, pull the iced coffee over here. Do 2 tablespoons. You can do less if you want. You can do more if you want. This is typically just what I see at my coffee places. Then you're going to get your straw or your stir. Whatever you prefer. And you're going to stir it. I like a white coffee. This is the best kind. Some people like it darker, that's stronger. Either way, perfect. This is how you do your perfect summer iced coffee. This is going to keep you energized for the rest of your schoolwork, the rest of your busy day, whatever you have going on. This is how you do it. This is just going to make the rest of your day.